Hey you, did you forget to clean down there? Not to worry, because today we're talking undercarriage. So the biggest reason that you want to clean your undercarriage, if you guys can't already tell, this thing, it looks terrible. It's all faded, it's dry, it's dirty, it doesn't look that good. Now you want to protect it against things like dirt, grime, and salt, because over time those things can actually lead to rust. And if you're not careful, it can cause permanent damage. So today, that's why we're here. We're going to show you guys how to clean it, restore it, and protect it all in one step. First things first, we're going to start off by rinsing off all the loose dirt, grime, and debris. All right guys, now that we're done rinsing off the surface, now we can start cleaning it. Now the cleaner of choice today is going to be our signature series orange degreaser. This is an all-purpose heavy-duty degreaser designed to take down heavy dirt, grime, and grease buildup. Now this product is going to do a phenomenal job at helping us just basically break down all the heavy grime that's sitting on the undercarriage. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go ahead and spray a coat all throughout the undercarriage. All right guys, now that we're done spraying our signature series orange degreaser onto the surface, we're gonna let that marinate. Just give it some time to break down all that heavier gunk on the undercarriage. And we're also gonna be using the power of foam. So right here I actually have our Mr. Sprayer foaming atomizer. And this is a great tool to use whenever you don't have a pressure washer or a foam can or anything like that at hand. This is a handheld foamer. So all you gotta do is fill it up with soap and water, pump it up, and you can all start foaming up. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and make sure that this is all nice and pumped up already. And now that it's all pumped up, what I'm going to do is now just spray a nice little coat onto the area that I'm going to clean first. All right, now that I've sprayed this area, now it's time to start scrubbing with our brushes. So right here I actually have an assortment of brushes. I actually have our Red Rocket, which is actually a really cool brush to use because it's actually bendable. So I can actually just kind of contour it to the type of surface that I'm cleaning. I also have our Stiffy brush right here, and this is a stiff bristle brush, which is going to allow us to just really get that deep clean. And last but not least, I also have my Boar's hair detailing brush. This is more on the softer side, but the reason I have this brush is because it's small and it's going to allow me to get into all those little intricate areas, cracks and all that stuff. So I'm going to actually start off with this one right here, our Big Blue Stiffy. I'm going to grab my Mr. Sprayer foamer. I'm going to spray some onto the brush for added cleaning power and lubrication. And now we're just going to start scrubbing. All right guys, so we just finished cleaning the undercarriage. As you guys saw, we cleaned the wheel liners, the frame, behind the wheel, on top of the wheel, you name it. Everything that's there, go ahead and give it a deep clean. And now that we're done cleaning, now all there's left to do is to rinse it off. So I'm just gonna rinse it off, dry, and I'm gonna show you guys the last step to making sure that your undercarriage looks great for years to come. All right, so now that we're done washing and drying the undercarriage, now it's time for the funnest part, which is restoring and protecting it. So to do that, we're gonna be using our Barebones Undercarriage Protectant. Barebones is gonna restore, shine, and protect all of your undercarriage components. And it's super easy to use. All you have to do is simply apply it with a microfiber towel applicator, or in this case, I'm gonna be playing it easy. I'm gonna be using a flag tip brush. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my Barebones. I'm gonna spray about 3 to 4 sprays onto the bristles of the brush. And then I'm just gonna start working it in. So I'm gonna be applying it with the brush as opposed to just spraying it all over the place and getting overspray everywhere. So that way I'm in control of the product, I don't waste it, and I apply it exactly where I want it. So I'm gonna work it in, and I'll show you guys the end results in just a few seconds. And just like that, we're all done cleaning, restoring, and protecting this undercarriage to make sure it's protected for years to come, all using our Barebones undercarriage protectant. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we showed on today's video, whether it's our Signature Series Orange Degreaser, our Mr. Sprayer Foamer, or even our Barebones undercarriage protectant, they're all going to be linked in the description and pinned comment down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.